Back at work. Mine's kind of weird because I've been painting all day yesterday. I really want to see what make better vlog footage. Sorry, I might, depending on my budget and whether or not I get this big ass job. I did a team call yesterday. I want to probably get like an action camera so I could, you know, be like the behind the scenes kind of look of me taking photos and video, like Jason Heliak does in Japan. But I mean, I'd want to try it when I go to Chicago in June. That kind of work, footage. But yeah, those DJI action cams are. Hold on. Those DJI action cams are like $380 right now. It's probably gonna cost more because of the tariffs, but I have to check. Fucking. So I'm at my desk, I have my coffee. I uploaded my video about Vietnam. Yesterday. I'm definitely going to be making more content out of from the trip to Vietnam because I made so many videos in Vietnam, talking headshot videos and clips. Obviously, I need to practice more on motion with the camera because, well, I was also handheld, so if I did motion with camera, it could be like jittery. So maybe there's some additional add-ons to Final Cut Pro that could help me stabilize the footage and not make it super wobbly. Because being handheld, I still need to get better with my gimbal, and two, I didn't bring a gimbal with me to Vietnam when I went. Way too much stuff. So yeah, I think that's the new frontier. Like, not only do I need to keep on filming and stick with the subject instead of shoot and end it, just keep on continue and practice with motion. My editing still needs to be a little bit better. I do, make use of a current film-based LUT to make my video look more pleasing. But yeah, still a lot of things to do to make my work better in terms of video. Anyway, gotta eat and work.
There's no question.
You should try that side.
I need you. What you
Can't remember which one was which.
It's my patience.
I mean, a quitter.
Calling me back every time.
Hokkaido wings.
And I can feel it in the energy. We compete with any others. It's our chemistry.
Feels weird being back in America.
35! You going, bro? How was Vietnam?
It was awesome.
I like that. 31? 31?
Hey, Jeff.
Well, you get your drink, right? There's 12. Wait, I think 12 is the ladies here.
12? Shit.
Wait, what time is the ladies? Oh, yes.
Audience best believe we stand innovation. No, they gon' hit it not like
Welcome back to the US, bro.
Thanks.
Sir.
Hold up, what you do with me? Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Oh, is your face all pushing fate? Wound up, screams make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy and high. Switch, hit the flip, hold up. What you doing? What you doing to me? What you doing to me? What you doing to me? What you doing to me, babe? Oh, yeah.
So true.